Hello students, we are now coming to hear a natural beauty. So I teach in the natural beauty a ideal partnership. Everyone says that every person have not a complete man. It's have a limited qualities. So in a business, if we want to a ideal partnership to others, we have to join with the other persons in a ideal partnership. First, in the ideal partnership is a quality, a person should be a limited partnership. Within a limited partnership, the members are 5 and 6 only. If the membership 5 and 6, much more, the quarreling is starting between them and not to the satisfied to each other. So we can say that in the general partnership, maximum partners are should be 20, and the banking partnership, the maximum partners are should be 10 and 10. So we can say that much partners is a much problem in the partnership. So the limited partnership, yeah, ideal partnership have a 5 and 6 members only. Second, the capital is a much natural positive qualities. One partners have not so money that he satisfied to his business, so he joined to other partners to carry on the capital, much capital. Yani we can say that the a partnership have a much capital to carry on the business. The next quality of a ideal partnership is that introduction of the partners के बीच introduction is much more important, because if the partners generally knows everyone, they should does they do their work with easily, so the every partners introduced to other partners clearly. That got it. I once said got it. Other, the qualities of the ideal partnership is a written agreement. Partnership have the written and oral agreement, but the written agreement is much sufficient to others, because the every partners differ to others. The qualities of one partners to differ to other partners. So we can say the written agreement is better for the other. Written partnership is a proof, but oral partnership is not the proof. We can say that in ideal partnership, a written partnership. Partnership should be stable. Next point. If we want to the partnership in a good quality and want to the ideal partnership must be stable. In a short-term partnership is not good for the business. We can say that much better in a stable partnership is a very good for the business. So it is the quality of the ideal partnership. In the partnership, we can say that the contribution of the partners, every partner should be increased. If the every partners do not much contribution, that partnership carry on the last long. So it is the quality of a partners. We can say that choice of business. Next point, all the partners have choosing to accept the business. What business they wanted to start it. We gave the lot of profit. So it is the next quality. Next, we can say the sufficient capital. In the business, having sufficient capital. If the sufficient capital, the business is going on very well. So it is the quality of the sufficient business. Next, the registration of a partnership. Registration of partnership is not a necessary, but in an ideal partnership is good for the partnership is to be the registered. The next point is coming to the control of a business. All the partners have to the quality to control the business. They control the business easily. If the limited partners, the partnership is carry on easily. Control. If the lot of partners, that business cannot be controlled easily. So it is the control partnership. We can say it is the next quality of the business. So the students, this is the ideal quality of a ideal partnership qualities. So you have learnt. I hope understand what I say you. Thank you.